everyone. My name is Ricardo Mitchell, and today I will tell you more about my project or my data product. My aim is that I will go through my product with you. I will tell you more about it as I go along. First thing, my intention is that the product should predict or should be able to use machine learning algorithms or model embedded into the product, and it should be able to predict if a fan will churn or stop supporting his or her local arenas. And so some of the requirements for this product include the product must have a point and click feature. It must have a blue theme, security features, features for persons with disability, and of course, it must move fast. It should not lag. Now, as you can see, we are on the home page, or at least the login page. If you click, it will show you that you need to enter a valid username and a valid password. So you will have to try again. Enter your username if you're an authorized user and your password. Try again. You will be taken to the home screen. This home screen will show you a list of things, including buttons, charts, images, and information. But first, I will show you what these things mean as we go along. Now, I click the data gathering button. It will take you to where you will be able to see a copy of the questionnaire that was used to gather the data needed to develop the product. And so you can click this link. It will take you to the actual questionnaire. You can complete one just like the rest of recipient or respondents. Hit the submit, and the data will be stored in a safe location. I use an API to access the data, or I can also download the data in a CSV format. The document page will show you a sample of what the data looks like. Features will tell you more about the product. It will list several features and describe each feature. The help page will show you diagrams or chart and more information about the features. Take for example, the zoom feature can zoom in on the program, you can use this fit to page to reset the entire screen. This right here will tell you where or on which page you are on. Back to the home screen. Data processing. Basically, this page will tell you or show you exactly the process that was taken to develop this product. In brief, of course, I started out by gathering my data with my questionnaire. Then I did my sanity check just to make sure that I have good data working with. I processed the data, did feature engineering, continued the process where I split my data into training and test set, selected my models or select the best model, use the weights of the models to predict or for prediction in Power BI. I developed a user interface. I created several components, buttons, sliders, and many pages. I did several checks before I published this application. I did requirement testing, system testing, and various kind of tests just to make sure that this program is working correctly. Engineering, feature engineering is basically how I prepare my data really for model building. Data visualization, this is interactive. Users can click on anything and the data is pretty much interactive. You can use the focus mode to enlarge the image. You can share this image to Facebook, LinkedIn, your email, or wherever. You can use the bar and print this image into a PDF format or to your printer. Data visualization page, correlation map, different charts. Again, you can select the focus mode, still interactive. Show as table, it will show you the data. Back. Then evaluation. This is how I selected the best model, which I use for my prediction. The most important page is the prediction page. This is the main reason why this product was developed. And so this is the page that you can use to predict if a fan will churn or still continue to support its or her locus arena. You will see a green chart and a red chart. The red is that the person is likely to churn. The green, that the person is okay and the person will continue to support his or her stadium. So, all you will have to do is to make your selection. Take, for example, the occupation of the person, education of the person, and if the person have any children, then there are different features that you can use, just like what was the vibe inside the stadium like, or the last match. If the person said the vibe was good, then of course you will select good. If the person say the seating was poor, you select poor. So basically, some of these features will tell you, or at least some of these features are based on the last match that the person we are trying to predict experience. For example, if based on the last match that the person went to, the person will tell you about the entertainment. If the person say that the entertainment was good, then of course you selected good. And based on your selection, these numbers will move. So the probability that the person, based on the selected field or the selected values, the probability that the person will churn is 51%, or 51 rather. And the probability of not churning or continue that the fund will continue to support is 41, 49 rather. Okay? And so based on your selection, these number will move. The benefit of this is that you managers will be more proactive, or the user will be proactive in detecting funds who are likely to churn. And so, from a business perspective, they can reach out to those funds with special deals, special offer that will also improve the satisfaction of those funds. And most importantly, they will regain the income from those funds that they can use to go towards the overhead cost of managing those arenas or stadiums. Thank you very much.